Oh, yes. Now, this, in accordance with this statute, a person shall be criminally responsible and liable for punishment for crime when within the jurisdiction of the court, if that person, right, commits such a crime, whether as an individual, jointly with another, or through another person, regardless of whether the other person is criminally responsible, orders, solicits, or induces the commission of such a crime, which in fact occurs or is attempted, the attempt of a crime, yes, for the purpose of facilitating the commission of such a crime, aids, abets, or otherwise assists in its commission or its attempted commission, including providing the means for its commission, yes, in any other way contributes to the commission or attempted commission of such a crime by a group of persons aiding or acting with a common purpose. Such contributions shall be intentional and shall either be made with the aim of furthering the criminal activity, yes, or criminal purpose of the group, where such activity or purpose involves the commission of a crime within the jurisdiction of the court, or be made in the knowledge of the intention of the group to commit the crime. Now, this crime of not strictly enforcing the requirements of the law, those RCWs that you absolutely refuse to acknowledge. Now, this involves a group of individuals known as politicians, police officers, and sheriffs, where you've been aiding each other, you've been abetting each other, and otherwise assisting each other in the commission of the crime of violating the RCWs, yes, the requirements of the VAWA, the requirements of the PKPA, and then there are the civil rights laws, the state constitutions, yes, that you can't deprive a person of life, liberty, or property because of your ambiguous interpretation of the actual due process necessary to issue court orders where well, we don't have to serve the guy. We don't have to attempt service. We can have ex parte reissuance of protection orders, and then we can do it pro se without any legal rights. You abolished all the fucking laws. Now, every judge in Clallam County and Jefferson County, I'm thinking I can have you tried in the International Criminal Court for aiding and abetting each other, because you just won't recognize the strict interpretations of state law, yeah, federal law, state constitutions, the United States Constitution, the conventions of the Hague, the Geneva Convention, and then the United Nations Conventions of Dissolutions of Marriage. Now I'm sitting here and you're saying, well, we got to get him, we got to disappear the guy. And it could be that the whole motive, thank you so much. Was that you just wanted to get paid? Did you need to come some more money? Aiding and abetting all of those in oaths of office. Now, my mindset is there could be, a few thousand. Well, for the purpose of facilitating the commission of such a crime, exactly who paid for the kidnapping of my sons, the abducting of my sons without me having notice of court hearings. Then you issue that permanent order for support for $140,000. Then you refuse to acknowledge my rights as a citizen, and you make up crimes I didn't commit, and then you refuse to acknowledge the evidence that I wasn't in Sequim or Brennan when you yourselves had got videos that day. Foul. Now, there's no possible way that I could try huge numbers of individuals that happen to be an oath. Now, you're doing what? In any other way contributes to the commission or attempted commission of such a crime by a group of persons acting with a common purpose. Can you tell me what your common purpose is? You don't want me to sue you? You don't want to go to prison. Ouch! For all of those, the attorney oaths of omission, those judges and justices that think, well, as soon as he gets his sons, he's going to sue us for everything we own and we're going to end up in prison. It would be so much better to be tried in the International Criminal Court of Law so that every nation could know